Today I want to carry on with the down stay, but this time I want to try and get out the door, which is beside the camera here, and see how we get on, because I don't want her to get stressed and think I'm leaving her. I want her to get used to me going out of a room. So let's see how we get on. As you can see, our little Primrose is quite chilled out. She is a bit of a princess. Princess Primrose. She's a bit of a diva. She knows when the camera's on. She's an actress. So, flat of the hand, taking off with the right leg. And wait. So I've got the mat down. This is her training mat or her fun mat. Okay, so I want this to be a place that she is content with and happy to be there. Wait, off with the right leg. And go back. Now, if you can see, she's laying on her right side so she can watch me without turning. If I was to go over there, she's much more likely to break because she'll want to see me. So it doesn't matter what side I'm on. Wait, as long as I take off with my right leg, I just want you to see her clearer if I'm on this side. Good girl. Very tasty treats for these sessions. Wait, off with the right leg towards the door and back again. Good girl. Now I have explained it in other videos. Ideally, I should click over there, saying to what she's doing here is what I want, and I'm really happy with that. One click, one treat. But I'm returning to her because in these early stages, when they're young, very often if you click at a distance, they'll think that they've done it right and they're likely to get up and jump around and, yeah, okay, I've done it. Okay, so I am returning to her. But later on, as I progress, I will be clicking at a distance to say to her, what you're doing over there is brilliant and that's what I love. But in these stages, I'm clicking when I return to her. Good girl. Off with my right leg. And back to her. And click. Head up, shoulders back. Off with my right leg. And back. Good girl. I'm very, very lucky to have this dog because her breeding is so good. And I wanted this calmness within her. And it's coming through generations. And there was a fantastic dog in her pedigree that I knew. And he had the same temperament. And everything with his blood in seems to have this temperament. It seems to pass through generations. So be very careful when you buy a dog. But if you're going for a puppy, look at the pedigree. Do your research and see what you're getting. If you're going to get a working dog, working lab, Springer, anything, a Jack Russell, anything that's working, you need to be prepared that they are going to likely to be very busy dogs. Okay? I needed, for what I wanted, a calm dog. And this is why I waited so long for this little girl. In your own time, Primrose. Okay, so I'm going to just try and open the door a bit. You won't be able to see it, but you can hear it. I didn't say wait, did I? Let me do it again. say wait, and I go off on my right leg again. Keep it in your head, right leg, right leg. There is very little that worries this dog. From the beginning, I've been playing fireworks on the telly, YouTube fireworks, fire engines, you know, emergency service noises. I've tried to program her, if you like, so that nothing worries her. And baby cry, that will drive you mad after a while, but you can try it. Motorbikes, tractors, anything like that. Get it on YouTube, put it up on your telly so that she can see it, not just hear it. I'm teaching her to be calm. Good girl. Has she got that for being calm? I want her to work it out why she's getting these treats. Okay, this is really handy because it's a glass door, so she can still see me, which is perfect for this exercise. And wait. Good girl. So what I'm starting to do now is count when I'm out there. 1, 2, 3. Counted to 8. Wait. 10. Don't want her to get bored. Good girl. So, if they get it wrong, or if you get it wrong, and the dog breaks, then just go back, start again, move on, don't tell her off, just put her back in the position, do one more good exercise, you know, maybe not so far, just something like this, and back again, you know, shorter distance, so that you'll always try and end on a good note. Okay, anyway, see you in the next video. Don't forget, subscribe and click that bell. Bye.